Beautiful new arrival this morning. All new Range Rover D300 SE, but I think the colour's lovely. Lantau Bronze, new colour that was launched with the new Range Rover. And I just think the car, in that colour, it's got Perlino leather inside, it's done 7,500 miles, it's got a sliding sunroof, it's got electric deployable Towbar. The little bit of detailing, the badging in black, 21-inch wheels in black, against that colour with them. All the new little sections of the new Range Rover all works really well, so breaks the car up lovely. We've got a wonderful colour. You've then got the sections of the grille, all in them new little sections. Different colouring on the splitter at the front. 21-inch wheels in gloss black. But then what I like is, if you look at the bottom, the all new Range Rover's got that big section at the bottom of the doors, which is in gloss black. So breaks the car up beautifully. Then you've got things like black mirrors, Atlas vents, privacy glass on the rear. It's just a really lovely looking Range Rover, where a lot of the ones, you know, we videoed, they've got big wheels, they've got black with black leather. I just think that colour with the interior, with the exterior stand, just looks particularly lovely. You've got the black section along the rear, big rear section of that back bumper in gloss black, and I'm just going to lock it and show you them wonderful new lights at the back, which are just stunning. So this car's a 300 SE. SE model does not come with some of these extras, so it doesn't come with a sliding sunroof, which it's got. It doesn't come with an electric tow bar, which it's got, but it comes with lots of lovely specs. So things like, it's all keyless entry. And then let me show you what you've got. So we've got memory seats, we've got Meridian speaker, digital cockpit, heated steering wheel, 20-way heated seats, adaptive cruise control, and the sliding sunroof, which I'll show you. Perlino leather inside, which for me, this is the only colour to have with that exterior colour. I just think if it's Lantau Bronze on the outside and then it had a darker interior, I don't think it'd work. I just think this colour with the outside really, really works. Keyless start, you've then got your digital cockpit, we've got a heated steering wheel, we've got adaptive cruise control. The big one, and I've mentioned it a couple of times, is the sliding sunroof. That's a £2,000 option. So that opens up, brightens the whole car. The car's very airy inside because of the light Perlino leather. So you've got your digital cockpit in front of you, which can all be adjusted off your steering wheel. You can change your dials and everything. You've then got your 13.1-inch Privy Pro screen in the centre, which is superb. So I'll just show you some of the key features on here. You've got your full surround camera system with 3D, and because the car's got an electric tow bar, we've also got towing assist as well. Seats, you've got heated seats in the front and you've got heated seats in the rear. And if I show you the adjust button, these seats are 20-way, so they've got so many different options to adjust the seats. Very, very comfortable. You've got cabin lighting, so we've got ambient lighting which can all be adjusted, all the different colours. This is a standard feature on the new Range Rover. Great feature, so you can adjust again all the interior colours. Looks superb on a night. Other features that are standard: wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless charging, just drop your phone underneath. It's got Alexa as well, and then it's got your navigation, your Bluetooth, your multimedia, things that you would expect. Lots and lots of space. It's a D300, it's a new Range Rover. It's so roomy and so comfortable. In the back, lots of room. So you can see on the door cards, rear electric seats, rear heated seats, and you can see that cabin lighting as well, showing on the door cards. Soft closed doors as well as standard, great feature. Huge boot space, split folding tailgate, and then you've got buttons here. So these two buttons can drop all them seats down flat. You've then got an air suspension button, and then if we press that button, we've got the electric deployable tow bar. If you're not going to use it, doesn't matter. Trust me, it's tucked away. It's worth having because it's a big optional extra, and it's an expensive option as well. Now this car, for the all-new Range Rover, it's one of the most competitively priced we've had as well, so we're pricing it on the money to sell it instantly. I love the colour, I love the interior, it's a beautiful example. It's going live. Thank you for watching.